Hello and welcome. Today we are exploring Claude Code Pro, a powerful coding assistant, and the best part is it's completely free. You can find the download link in the description below this video. Now let's dive in and see what Claude Code Pro can do for you.
Sleep, waddle like a king on my rubbery feet. No cape, no mask, but I'm fighting the heat. When the water rises, I'll bring the beat. They said I'm just a toy, but I'm a rebel decoy. A splash, a leap, a boy. We don't stop, no, we don't fold. Rubber, army hearts of gold. Float high, yeah, the truth is told. The duck don't break, it just takes hold. From the gutters to the streams, we're building a crew. 1,000 tiny ducks with a single view. Quack loud, stand proud, yeah, we'll push through. Plastic hearts pumping like they're brand new. It's not just a bad thing, it's a path thing, a splash thing, a crash thing, a revolution's happening.
Thank you for watching and for joining me on this journey. I hope you found it helpful, and remember you can download all the resources you need for free using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video to help others find it too. Until next time.